Alright, welcome back to some more of my cash stuffing journey. So today I had a little bit extra money this month. Just a little extra income from playing for some things. So I decided to put these into my 100 envelope challenge. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to be able to fill 2, 3, 4, 5 envelopes. So the very first envelope we're going to fill up is number 1. Easy enough. Throw that in my box. And then we're going to come over here. We'll do this peachy color for today. Alright, next up, number 47. Boom. Next up, envelope 50. Alright, two more. We're going big this time, number 98. Alright, last one that we're filling in today is number 99. Alright, so we started this on September 9th, and we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 envelopes filled already. We're well on our way.